Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Every time you hit snooze, scroll, or quit, you train your brain to lose. But every small act of discipline, that's a vote for the future you're pretending to chase.
Back in 2009, inside a quiet lab at two researchers Stad Hare and Colin Cameron, a study that would go on to reveal something extraordinary. It wasn't just about money. It was about the hidden war that plays out inside our brains every day. A war between two opposing forces, impulse and discipline. A war that decides whether we reach our goals or fall short. The researchers offered participants a simple choice. Take $100,000 immediately or wait 10 years and receive $1 million. Mathematically, the answer seemed obvious. But when tested, most people chose the instant reward. No hesitation, no long-term thinking, just quick gratification. This posed a bigger question. Why do we so often act against our own best interests? Why do we choose the donut over the diet, the binge over the breakthrough, the comfort over the climb? As participants made their decisions, the fMRI machine recorded something remarkable. In those who chose the $100,000 now, one area lit up intensely, the ventral striatum. This is the brain's impulse center. It craves instant pleasure. It evolved to help our ancestors survive by prioritizing immediate rewards. But in the few who chose to wait the million-dollar decisions, something else happened. Their brains activated to higher regions. The ventromedial and dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. These are executive centers responsible for self-control, long-term planning, and conscious thought. It was as if two entirely different operating systems were at work, one driven by instinct, the other by vision. One seeking comfort now, the other seeing something greater. This study uncovered a profound insight. Self-discipline wasn't just a personality trait. It was a trainable function of the brain. The more someone chose delayed rewards, the stronger their prefrontal cortex became. With discipline, it turned out it was like a muscle. Every time a person resisted temptation, they weren't just making a choice. They were literally rewiring their brain to make better choices in the future. Those who succeeded weren't more talented or more motivated. They were simply training their brain to obey the long-term vision over the short-term impulse. This process is called neuroscience. It means the brain can change, it can adapt, it can be trained. The people who delayed gratification weren't born different. They had simply practiced making hard decisions over and over until those decisions became easy. They stopped relying on motivation and started building momentum. They didn't win by being perfect. They won by showing up. Every choice you make is feeding one part of your brain, impulse or discipline. So here's your challenge. Choose one habit you've been avoiding. Don't skip, don't explain, just act. And if this story opened your eyes, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready to train their mind like a muscle.